So coming up in the video, I'm going to show you how I made a really easy to make birdhouse. This one's ideal for nuthatches and for chickadees. And it's got a couple of finish nails here on the bottom that works as a hinge so the bottom can swing open, you can clean it out. Got the plan from an author named A.J. Hamler, who has written several books, and I made several of the projects from his that I really like. This one is easy to build birdhouses, a natural approach, so be sure to check that book out. But I'll put links and have more detailed information on my website at woodlogger.com. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. So to get started on my Chickadee house, I've got 6 boards that I need to cut. It's making a basic box, right? So I'm gonna cut all 6 of these on my table saw, and I'm gonna work on that first. So I got all the boards that I need to cut on my table saw. The plan that I'm following actually calls for the sides to be cut at an angle with a 57.5 degree angle. If you're new to woodworking, it's a really simple thing. You adjust your fence to the degree that you want, push it through, and it's really simple. After that, I've got to drill a hole in one of the sides using a 1 1/8 inch spade bit. That's the size hole that I need for the birds that I'm trying to attract. After that, I should be ready for assembly. So to get started on the assembly of my birdhouse, I used the bottom as a spacer between my 2 sides. Lined up all my boards exactly how I wanted them on the back, and then I used a pencil to just draw on the board exactly where all my boards are going to be. One tip is to do it on the front and the back so that you get a good visualization of where all the boards are going to go. Ultimately, I'm going to do the same thing for the top, which will go here. I'm going to glue it. I'm going to use brad nails on the back to secure that in, and then eventually I'll glue my top on, and the bottom will actually be on the bottom. One other tip is that you're going to want to bevel your edges, again using that 57.5 degree angle. Makes it a lot easier so that when you're laying these on the boards they lay flush. So I'm going to work on that next. Okay, so I've got my birdhouse all finished. I think the chickadees and hopefully the nuthatches will like it. I've got the bottom here, all of it attached with the hinges with the finished nails. And then I've got a stopper here to keep the door from opening up. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And as always, be sure to check out woodlogger.com, where I will post more detailed information about this project as well as other projects I have going on in my shop.